So, Jai Hind to everyone. In the lecture series of social media marketing, we are switching on to the 5 pillars of the social media marketing. Of course, marketing is a field where I had already discussed about that. For your product enhancement, for your sales enhancement, for your business enhancement, we need a platform through which we can pass the information to the customers. We can pass the information to the business people, of course, and of course, we get connectivity for the sharing of the information, isn't it? So, in that series today, we'll discuss about the 5 pillars of the social media marketing. For everything, of course, if you're building, if you're planning to have to make a house, or you can say you are planning to have the project implementation of anything, you are having certain steps to be followed. For that, you should have the proper awareness that how step by step methods can be done, by which we can follow that. We can have this certain taglines, or we can have certain timelines for that step, by which we can have the completion of that in a proper scenario or a proper time limit. The winding up should be done in proper way for that part. So we'll discuss about that, and we'll get more in dig in about that thing one by one. So social media marketing, of course, a brief definition again, is the use of social media, the platforms on which user build social networks and share information to build a company brand, increase scales, and drive website traffic. So we discussed about, of course, e-marketing, the social media platform. We can have the connectivity with the people. मुझे कुछ पता है, मैं चाहती हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताना है मुझे, आई कैन शेयर दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन टू द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म. आई एम अपसेट, I'll share that information to certain my friend circle. They will give revert back the information. They will give revert back certain responses to me, which make me happy. So social media is not only about the business dealing, of course. Definitely, they used to capture more and more people of every kind. But yes, for the advertising part, for the marketing part, we can use these platforms for enhancing our products, our business side, isn't it? So, in addition to provide companies with a way to engage with existing customers and reach new ones, SMM has a purpose-built data analytics that allows marketers to track the success of their effort and identify even more ways to engage. So in previous lectures also, I have discussed about one example. You know very well about a brand which is Nokia. Nowadays in market, Nokia phone is not present. Why is it so? It is only due to that the Nokia had not upgraded itself. Nokia was a phone, it was a very reliable phone. In fact, आप उस phone को फेंक भी देते थे, गिर जाता था, ना टूटता था, ना उसे कोई नुकसान होता था. It was perfectly working. But the problem was that they have not changed with the demand of the market, with the demand of the customer. There are a number of brands came, they know what customers want. They want more and more video content or the advertisement content. They had moved on to the smartphones, of course, but Nokia didn't. So that is why it was out of the market. So it says must that whatever platform you are using, or whatever social media marketing process you are using, you have to be more and more enhancement. You have to do more and more engagement. You have to do more and more upgradation in that part. Not to focus, not to stick on that, on a single part of that marketing. You're getting my point. So upgradation is very much must. If you're not doing the upgradation, that everything what you have done is a failure. Clear? So producing relevant content that user will share with their own network helps brand increase their exposure. Isn't it? If you're having any product, आपने उसको बना के अपने यहाँ कमरे में रख लिया, या आपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपने लोकल मार्केट में एक्सप्लोर कर दिया, it will not help out for that. You have to give the information on a mass purpose. You have to give the exposure on a mass purpose, isn't it? So it also extend their reach towards the fan, potential customers, and even potential employees when used as a recruitment tool. I'm sitting here, for example, I'm having expertise in any of certain domains, any of that tool, but it is the jobs regarding that is not present in India. The jobs regarding that is present in outside the world. But I know that I'm very much comfortable in that kind of tool. For example, I'm very much expertise having in the Salesforce. But you know very well in India, the Salesforce jobs is not relevant. It is not in huge amount. So I know what are my expertise. If I put simply on my resume and think about that, okay, when the company will come or the job opportunity will come, and then definitely I will move on to that company, it will not happen in today's era. You have to highlight all your information, all your expertise, all whatever the good points you are having, you have to highlight, by which the company people get attracted towards you and they can give you the good opportunities regarding your job. isn't it? So that is why I'm saying social media is a very, very good platform for sharing everything. Whatever information you want to share from the outside people, from the outside world, you can easily share that part. It's not about the business, of course, not about the product, of course. It is, of course, about yourself. It's more and more about yourself also, for getting towards the outside world connectivity. You getting my point? So social media is the key to collecting customers feedback while making the company seems more personable. जो मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल पहले भी डिस्कस करा, पर्सनली आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन को कैप्चर करना, क्या हम चाहते हैं, व्हाट द कस्टमर्स वांट फ्रॉम आवर साइड, isn't it? Social media enables organization to create relationship with their audience. आपको ऐसा फील कराएंगे कि जैसे आपके पास में ही है, आपके नियर बाय ही प्रेजेंट है. मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था आपको सीसीडी का. सीसीडी में they never call how are you sir, how are you ma'am, they will simply call you by the names. You will feel like that कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. एक कनेक्टिविटी क्रिएट होती है, जिससे क्या होता है, अगली बार फिर मेरा मन करेगा, okay, I'll again move on to the CCD, I'll have my cup of a coffee with the name mentioning that Anuradha is mentioned on that cup. And they will talk like that they are having a very good relation. So I'll feel comfortable, I'll feel like homely. Okay, fine, I'm in a very good place. So to understand the tactics of the customer, the social media marketing or the social media platforms are more and more working towards that part, isn't it? So it gives end users a platform to ask questions, voice complaints, and generally be heard. If you're not reverting back to the responses to the customers, you are not okay with the market, isn't it? It also gives brands the opportunity to respond, adapt, and adjust business processes or your products. Some popular social media apps includes, we have discussed about that, the Facebook is present, Twitter is present, LinkedIn is there, YouTube is there, Pinterest is there, Instagram is there, and nowadays Snapchat is also getting more and more higher towards the customer, for getting the, of course, attraction tool towards the customer. Each platform has elements that makes it attractive to the use. And when a company uses several in combination to deliver a multi-channel message, consumer can see those messages on their preferred channels. We know very well that which platform is having such kind of information. I can save it that, I can move on for the future purpose for that, and of course I can have certain information to rest of my people who are in connectivity with me, who are having the same domain, who are in interest of the same domain information. I can simply transmit to those people. You getting my point? So coming back, of course, to the baseline, that is the 5 pillars of the social media marketing. What are those 5 pillars? They are the strategy, of course, the planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics and reporting, and at the last, it is your advertising. So we'll discuss one by one about all these parts. So social strategy says that with any marketing campaigns or activity, an appropriate strategy should be laid out in advance. Organizations need to determine the goals of the program, the channels that will be used, and what type of content will be shared. So what is the strategy? आप क्या plan करें, क्या आपको, see, everything we are working on that, we are having a rough draft. अगर हम मार्केट में जाते हैं ना, तो हम मार्केट जाने से पहले भी लिख लेते हैं कि अच्छा हमें इस शॉप पर जाना है, हमें पहले यहाँ जाना है, ये परचेसिंग करनी, वो परचेसिंग करनी. We are having a rough draft for that. And now we are talking about the social media marketing. We are talking about the social media platform where we are giving the advertisement on the paid basis. So definitely a proper layout should be done, a proper drafting should be done, and a proper strategy should be planned out for doing that. You're getting my point? So the first point is that determining the goals. Determining the business goal you are looking to achieve. For instance, maybe you want to expand brand awareness, drive sales, or get an access in website traffic. Creating a social media strategy helps you generate engagement around your brand and its product while creating a community and building your customer trust. Of course, you know what kind of customers, the people who used to purchase those products. So you have to attract those people. You have to get the engagement of those people towards your product, towards your business. So you have to have the strategy like that if, for example, the advertising part, I'm doing simple text messages I'm floating, the people will not get attracted towards all. They are not interested in reading those text messages. You are floating certain pictures, the flashing pictures. May be possible the product you are having, they are not getting attracted towards. Okay, fine, it's a product, it's a butter product, it's flashing. Okay, it's a simple product, I will not purchase that. maybe the audience you are targeting, they are more influenced towards the videos. So I can have a certain advertisement, a video prepared for regarding that butter, which is telling me the advantages for eating that butter, or what are the benefits for eating that butter, which will attract my customers, of course, and they will increase my sales due to the understanding of the videos by my customers itself. So again, saying you have to plan the strategy. If I'll get failure in that text messages, the text advertisement part, I will move on to the images, or from the images I'll move on to the videos. So step by step you have to plan on the strategy for following, for having the gain in your business or having the gain in your product sales, isn't it? So select social media platforms, choosing the right social network, whether you pick a Facebook, a Twitter, an Instagram, a TikTok, the strategy look different on each site. Consider which social network you target audiences uses the most. You're talking about, if I talk for a businesses, if I talk about, I'm having, for example, I'd open a certain you can a coaching center, or a course which I want to teach to the certain people. So I'll simply put on that course not onto the Facebook or to the social media, because the audience are present. It's a local audience. Every type of audience is present on the Facebook or on the TikTok or on the Instagram. But I know the professional people who are in nowadays to learn Salesforce or any of the tool, I'll put that advertisement on which is the professional body, the LinkedIn, of course. If I put my advertisement on the LinkedIn, there I will get more customers as comparison to the Facebook or as comparison to the Instagram. So you're getting my point. What I want to say that definitely you have to choose the platform in your strategy part, that which kind of audience you have to capture, and for that capturing of the audience, you know very well which social media platform or the network you have to follow up for your advertisement. Content mix, of course, choosing the type of the content to share. I'd define about that part. Is a brand going to opt for the images, for the videos, and for the links? Will it be entertaining or educational? क्या मुझे इसको देख के मजा आएगा या मुझे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी? Remember that what you decide does not have to be the strategy forever. एक बार जाके फिक्स मत होइए, चेंज करिए, स्विच करिए, मूव ऑन टू दैट. You're getting my point? Switch things up if the social media content is not working how you thought it would. Switching is definitely a tendency to capturing the customers towards you. So one person named Carol Bastos, who is a group digital strategist, who is the healthcare consultancy group strategist, was there, and he simply said that some of the worst advice I hear is start creating and posting content. बनाओ और पोस्ट कर दो. Don't think about that कि वो सही है, गलत है, क्या नहीं है. And your page will grow naturally. How is it possible? You're simply making an advertisement and you're putting and floating on that. No, it will definitely not increase your customers. While this allows marketers and social media managers to experiment on their brand's social presence, there should always be a clear objective. But definitely it's a worst advice that you're simply creating and posting that content will not favorable you, will not allow you to increase your sales or increase your business. It's just again, yes, it's a worst advice I'd ever heard. Second is your planning and publishing, of course. Once a strategy is in place, it's time to plan and publish. This means having a consistent presence on social media that aligns with the brand. Yes, of course, whatever planning and publishing you are done, it should be having the alignment with the brand which you are dealing with. Doing so help both existing and potential customer to discover you. Isn't it? आप कहाँ पे पब्लिश कर रहे हैं, आप कहाँ पे प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, आपको पता है वहाँ पे कस्टमर्स ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट हैं, किस टाइप के कस्टमर प्रेजेंट है वो भी आपको पता है. उनको अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए यू हैव टू प्लान एंड पब्लिश. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट को प्लान करें रात के 12 बजे जब कस्टमर्स आपके उस टाइम होते ही नहीं है. अगर मैं बात करती हूँ रिगार्डिंग, अगर आपने कोई ऐप प्रिपेयर करी न्यूज के रिगार्डिंग, आप चाहते हैं कि आपके मोर एंड मोर कस्टमर्स गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स माय ऐप, टुवर्ड्स माय न्यूज ऐप. You know very well, in the morning early hours, people used to read the newspaper. They want the newspaper in their hand to read out about that thing. But yes, due to the lack of the time, now people are switching towards the social media to have the awareness about the news. So of course, The advertisement part can be in the morning times to capture the customers. You're getting my point? So definitely the time space you have, you can think about the platforms you're using for your publicity, isn't it? So doing so helps both existing and potential customers to discover you. It's important to plan content ahead of time instead of creating and publishing simultaneously. Of course, very much important, the content ahead of the time instead of creating and publishing simultaneously. आपने कुछ पब्लिश करा, अब आपने फिर कस्टमर्स का फीडबैक देखा, पैरेलली यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट कि अच्छा मुझे ये मॉडिफिकेशन करूंगी तो मेरे कस्टमर्स मोर अट्रैक्ट होंगे. ऐसा मत सोचिए ठीक है मैंने एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट बना ली, चलो ये अभी नहीं चलिए, नाउ आई विल क्रिएट अगेन न्यू एडवर्टाइजमेंट. नो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कस्टमर्स मेंटालिटी, यू हैव टू अपग्रेड दैट एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन the previous advertisement. You getting my point? Publishing starts with a click as we share a blog post, a video, or an image on a social media platform. Don't forget to take timing and frequency into consideration. Of course, आपने click करा, click करते ही आपके advertisement हो जाएगी initial level पे ही. For instance, you likely don't want to have a social media posts that go live in the middle of the night. रात में आप नहीं चाहेंगे, आप चाहेंगे कि वो तभी हो जब ज्यादा फोन्स, जनरली लोग उठते ही अपना फोन उठाते हैं, चेक करते हैं लिंक्डइन पे क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आई है, कितने मैसेजेस आए हैं, क्या वो आए हैं. तो डेफिनेटली यू वांट कि आपका एडवर्टाइजमेंट उस टाइम पर ही हाइक होकर आए, isn't it? You also don't want to share 20 tweets in one day, isn't it? Engagement. Over time, your business and its social media following will grow as you continue publishing the content. More and more publishing, more and more people get engaged towards your platform. This also means conversation about your brand will increase, including people commenting on your post, tagging you in posts from other brands, replying to tweets, or messaging you directly. Of course, through the conversation, through the engagement, people will get tagging towards your videos. They will start sharing your videos. They will start commenting your videos. They will start liking your videos, and many more to do. Don't think मैंने अभी डाली वीडियो, मेरे पास अभी के अभी ऑर्डर्स आने शुरू होंगे. No, sit, watch and wait patiently what is happening for the next step. Okay. It's also possible customers are talking about your brands without tagging you. Maybe possible आपको टैग नहीं किया जाएगा, बट हो सकता है कि आपके रिगार्डिंग में बात की जा रही है. So listening to, monitoring and engaging with the many conversation as possible is essential. सुनिए भी समझिए भी, सिर्फ टैगिंग पे फोकस मत करिए. As you go about social engagement, keep an eye out for positive conversations but also negative ones. लिमिटेशंस को भी अपने पास रखना चाहिए. क्या मेरे गलत जो ड्रॉबैक्स हैं वो क्या निकल के आ रही है, यानी कि सिर्फ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट को सुनिए और उस पर आप हैप्पीली अमल करने, हाँ ठीक है ओके माय प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी मच गुड. जो आपके ड्रॉबैक्स है, जो आपके नेगेटिव चीजें हैं, जो आपकी लिमिटेशंस हैं, उनको भी सुनिए, समझिए और उनको भी अपने प्रोडक्ट या बिजनेस को उसमें आप एड ऑन करके उसको हटाइए. You getting my point? If a customer is taking to a social media to complain about your product or services, take the opportunity to correct the situation or offer a support. So don't think कि ठीक है सिंपली किसी ने कमेंट कर दिया, अच्छे कमेंट्स करें, ओके फाइन, लाइक्स तो मेरे बढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. डेफिनेटली टेक द नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो. जो नेगेटिव कमेंट्स हुए हैं उनको भी उठाइए, उन पर भी वर्कआउट करिए, आइडेंटिफाई करिए और डेफिनेटली उसको इंप्रूव करिए. उससे क्या होगा, द कस्टमर्स विल गेट मोर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स यू. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सिर्फ पॉजिटिव पे काम नहीं करना, हमें नेगेटिव पे भी काम करना है, isn't it? Okay. So one more person, that is Vincent Benedict, who is a marketing coordinator at a Certified Spot Guarantee. It simply says that social media marketing is a conversation with a mass audience. Imagine you are giving a presentation to a room full of people on your brand. You have to take the opportunity to educate, entertain and demonstrate what your brand is all about. Isn't it? आप एक प्रेजेंटेशन हॉल में हैं, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आप बता रहे हैं. डेफिनेटली आपके पास पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स भी आएंगे, कुछ नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स भी आएंगे. सिमिलरली द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, आपने पोस्ट कर दिया, पोस्ट करने के बाद थोड़ा समय लीजिए, थोड़ा टाइम लीजिए, वेट करिए पेशेंटली कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सेज आ रहे हैं. रिस्पॉन्स आने के बाद उन रिस्पॉन्सेज पे वर्क करना शुरू करिए. टेक द पॉजिटिव फीडबैक्स ऑल्सो, नेगेटिव फीडबैक्स ऑल्सो, दोनों फीडबैक को स्टडी करके अपने बिजनेस को, प्रोडक्ट को एनहांस करिए. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Fourth point is the analytics, of course. Next up are the analytics and reporting, which take you in the deep dive of your data so you can see how your social posts are performing. Analytics is very, 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 very much important. आपने कुछ भी काम करा, आप कोई भी काम करते हैं, अगर आप एनालिसिस नहीं करेंगे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि वो काम कैसा चल रहा है, मुझे कैसे आगे इंप्रूवमेंट करना है, कैसे मुझे उसमें एनहांसमेंट करनी है, मेरी क्या कमियां थी जिसको मुझे इंप्रूव करके आगे मुझे उसको एनहांस करना है। एनालिटिक्स की हेल्प से देयर नंबर ऑफ टूल्स प्रेजेंट, डेटा एनालिटिक्स के बहुत टूल्स प्रेजेंट हैं जिसकी हेल्प से यू कैन डिग इन दैट। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट अ सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, इट इज इटसेल्फ गिविंग यू द एनालिटिक्स पार्ट। सिंपली सेइंग दैट, अगर आप देखेंगे फेसबुक की मैं बात करती हूँ, लिंक्डइन की बात करती हूँ, वहां पर आपको एनालिटिक्स का पेज शो करेगा। अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे यू कैन सी हाउ मच इंप्रेशंस आर ऑन योर ब्लॉग, ऑन योर पोस्ट। यू कैन सी इन द ग्राफ फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो, इन द नंबर फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो. So that is very much must in your business part. So some social platforms like Twitter Analytics set this data up for you, so it's easy to see what working, what needs to be tweaked. Similarly for the YouTube also, similarly for the LinkedIn also, of course. However, there are also external social media analytics tools that also provide comprehensive insights into your social media performance. If you're not satisfied with the results of the platform which is already giving to you the analytics, you can use certain more tools present in the market for the analytics part to understand कि अब मुझे क्या requirement है, या मेरे में क्या मुझे बदलाव लाने की जरूरत है, या क्या अच्छा है या क्या बुरा है. Isn't it? कैसे मुझे सेल्स को इंक्रीज करना है, कैसे मुझे कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट करना है, कौन से कस्टमर मेरे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, कौन से एरिया से अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. मेनी एनालिटिक्स कैन बी डन. आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट को सेट करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप देख रहे हैं, आप अभी प्रोडक्ट की परफॉर्मेंस की बात कर रहे हैं, या आप ये चेक कर रहे हैं इस टाइम कि मुझे कौन से कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है, उसके बिहाफ पर आप उस एनालिटिक्स को स्टडी करिए, उसके बिहाफ पर आप कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. कि मुझे जैसे प्रोडक्ट आपने कोई लॉन्च करा, मान लीजिए वो आपका गर्मियों का प्रोडक्ट है, आप सर्दियों में लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, यू कैन वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट दैट थिंग. क्या एनालिटिक्स से मुझे कह रहे हैं कि वही प्रोडक्ट जब मैंने गर्मियों में लॉन्च किया था, उस टाइम पे लॉन्च किया था, तब मेरे एकदम से हाइक हुआ था प्रोडक्ट में, बट यहाँ मेरा हाइक नहीं हो रहा. इट इज ऑफ कोर्स एन एनालिटिक्स. सो स्मॉल पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू कवर अप फॉर योर इनिशियलाइजेशन ऑफ योर बिजनेस एंड इन योर इंक्रीज इन योर प्रोडक्ट. Getting my point, everyone? Fine. Some metrics that you can track are the engagement, of course, the clicks, comments, likes, and replies on your post. Some platforms go even further with specific engagement types. For instance, TikTok and Instagram include saved post. मुझे आज ये पसंद आई मुझे पोस्ट, मैं आगे के लिए सेव कर दूंगी, लाइक भी करूंगी, कमेंट भी करूंगी, बट यस मुझे कुछ टाइमिंग के बाद मुझे फिर दोबारा से उसको देखना है, या मुझे प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना है. ठीक है, मैं अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मुझे अच्छा लगा वीडियो को देख के, आई विल सेव इट फॉर द फ्यूचर पर्पस. मैं घर में जाके फैमिली से शेयर करूंगी, देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट एंड देन आई विल सेल आउट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो टैक्टिक्स फॉर एंगेजिंग द पीपल. ये नहीं कि आपने सेव का ऑप्शन नहीं रखा तो आपके पास कस्टमर तभी वो हट गया तो हट गया. It's a plus point for that social media platforms. Reach. The number of users have been seen your most recent content. कितने लोगों ने आपके कंटेंट को देखा. Impressions. The number of times a post from your profile or page was seen by the users. Impressions count whether the post was clicked or not. क्लिक करा या नहीं करा, आपके पोस्ट को देखा कि नहीं देखा, लेकिन बाहर से, जैसे कहते हैं एक नोटबुक है आपके पास जिस पर कवर चढ़ा हुआ है, नोटबुक पे नोटबुक नहीं खोली, बस ऊपर से देखा, दैट इज द इंप्रेशन पार्ट. फाइनली आपके वीडियो में डिग नहीं हुए, आपके पोस्ट के अंदर डिग नहीं हुए, बट आउटर कवरेज पर देखकर दैट इज द इंप्रेशन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इंप्रेशंस कैन caught more people, they can more engagement can be done towards your product. It will also give you certain statistics about for getting the customers. Mentions, of course, the number of times your profile's name has been mentioned in the post, sometimes called tags. They often being with the @ symbol. आपने देखा होगा कभी आप टैगिंग करते होंगे फेसबुक पे या लिंक्डइन पे, @ लिखिए, उसके बाद नाम लिखिए, तो आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी उस टैगिंग वाले पर्सन की. Followers, the number of people who have clicked the follow button on your account to see your content and post regularly. Of course, it's a very, again, important point. Videos views on TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. You can see how many views your video have received. Profile visits, the number of people who have visited your social profile on your main page. Shares, the number of times users reshare your post to their network. So that is also the statistics showing कि कितने लोग आपके अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. So ये सारे एनालिटिक्स आपके एक एक बारीकी से करना बहुत जरूरी है. हो सकता है कई बार क्या होता है, एक छोटे से पॉइंट को लेके मैं I'll share one example for that part. I didn't remember the name of the company, but it was like a car which was launched in the foreign country, of course, in the US part, and the company was very much confident that the car will definitely get on a hike. सेल बहुत अच्छे से होगी. And it was just like you can say a car which attract the people who are very much curious about purchasing that car. But unfortunately, that car does not work out. and they were very much upset. The company was very much upset, so they tried to deal with the people, the content marketing people, the marketing people, that to understand that which kind of customers they will purchase or why they're not purchasing those cars. So the analysis what come out is that the people who are interested in that kind of car is that who are used to watch the horse riding race. जो हॉर्स राइडिंग की रेसेस होती हैं, उन्हीं पीपल्स ने आपकी कार को वॉच करा, बट उन्होंने परचेज नहीं करा. क्यों परचेज नहीं करा? जस्ट ओनली दैट द शेप ऑफ द लाइट्स प्रेजेंट वाज अ सर्कल. दे वांट द स्क्वायर शेप, बिकॉज जब हॉर्स राइडिंग होता है तो हॉर्स राइडिंग में जो शेप होती है, जो हॉर्स राइडिंग है उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है कि आंखों में आपके स्क्वायर फॉर्मेशन हुआ है इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्कल. तो उन्होंने जो कंटेंट मार्केटिंग के पर्सन थे उन्होंने उनको ये फीडबैक दिया, आप सिंपली बस इस पॉइंट को चेंज करिए, आप अपनी गाड़ी की सर्कल शेप को चेंज करके उसको स्क्वायर में लेके आइए, एंड देन टेल मी व्हाट इज द फीडबैक. विद इन द 1 month the company has changed the light shape. They have launched again that car, and you didn't imagine that was one of the highest sales done by the different people. Of course, they've purchased that car. एकदम से sales आपका hike हो गया only by simply switching that. And that's a real example I'm speaking in front of you. Of course, it's a truth. It's a real scenario I'm talking. So small tactics can change the game, can change the product. So you have to deal with the small statistics. The matrix can answer questions like, are we reaching more people this month versus last month? Of course, how many positive mentions did we get this month? कितने positive feedbacks मेरे पास आए हैं? Are people using our brand hashtags on the social posts? Are we on the track to hit a certain number of followers by the end of the year? तो ये सारे questions को आप mind में रखिए, उसके behalf पर analytics करिए, and definitely you can change the scenario. One more person, the Carl Bustos, of course, they said that at conferences or networking events, I had heard at least one marketer say that they neglect looking at the matrix because the task often takes the backseat. I am fully aware of multitude of daily tasks that an SMM, that is a social media marketing, has to juggle, and the data analysis tends to become the least of their priorities. It should not be done like that. The analytics should be also on the highest priority. Isn't it? लोग सोचते हैं ठीक है एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर दिया, मैं कस्टमर्स को देखूं क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. A small point of the analytics can change the game, isn't it? So I hope you get an understanding about that thing. One more point I want to add it. However, without looking at the data, it would be possible to access the key KPIs. KPIs are the key performance indicators. कौन से ऐसे indicators है जिनके क्लिक की हेल्प से I can increase the sales? To set the goals, to determine the budgets and craft a strategy to achieve these goals. Isn't it? So ये सारे points हमें cover up करने जरूरी हैं. The last pillar of the SMM is the advertising part, which is very much must. Of course, आपका output जो हम कहते हैं प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं तो output show नहीं होगा तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. Advertising एक proper way से होना चाहिए. Over time, your brand may reach a point where it has the funds to grow its marketing efforts to include social media advertising. Of course, these ads make it possible to reach a wider audience than those already following your accounts. अगर आप ज़्यादा reach करेंगे persons पे with the less funding, with the more understanding of the customers present, जो आपके already previous present हैं, आपको और attract करना है people को, और dig करना है people को आपकी site पे लेकर आने के लिए. These advertisements can also be cultivated based on who you want to see them, and you can create specific ads based on interests, behaviors, demographics, and your location. Of course, these all small points cover up getting the attraction of the customers. किस टाइप के इंटरेस्ट के पीपल आप चाहते हैं, कैसे बिहेवियर के लोग आप चाहते हैं, कौन से लोकेशन पर आप चाहते हैं. मैं अभी यहाँ पे कॉलेज पर हूँ, अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि मैंने यहाँ पर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक हॉस्पिटल खोल दिया विद इन माई कैंपस, क्या यहाँ पे वो काम करेगा? या मैं कहूँ एक विलेज में, मैं विलेज के अंदर हूँ और मैंने वहां पर KFC ओपन कर दिया, क्या वो चलेगा? नहीं चलेगा. Of course, location matters, the time matters. So small tactics you should understand. You have to write down all these points. You have to make a specific draft for that. You have to have the complete strategy about that for increasing the sales or to getting the business of your own. So last point says that to assist in these efforts, business often turn into social media advertising software to manage, buy, and place ads on a specific platforms. Okay, so all these efforts will move on to increase or raise in your business, of course. S2 continues to say, find out if they visit your site after seeing your advertisement and eventually make a purchase. कहीं पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट को देखा, उस एडवर्टाइजमेंट से जंप होके आपके साइट पर आया, परचेज हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, ये भी जरूरी है देखना. You will learn that people watch your videos more on TikTok, more people visit your website from Instagram, but most purchases come from Facebook advertisements. आपको ये भी देखना है कहाँ के लोग आपके कहाँ पर आपके एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स को देख रहे हैं, कहाँ से परचेजिंग कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट फेसबुक, अगर परचेजिंग आपको फेसबुक के साइट से ज्यादा आ रहा है तो वो ये मान के चल रहे हैं ऑथेंटिक है, अच्छा है, बेटर है फेसबुक पर एज कंपेरिजन टू इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक. Using this data will help advertisers learn where they should put their money once they have understood the goals they are aiming to accomplish. So choosing the right platform can be determined in different ways. The first step is knowing what budget you have. Usually more budget means more flexibility and opportunity to use multiple platforms. You also need to know what kind of creativity you have and your campaign ultimate goal. So budget is very much must. ऐसा नहीं कि आप पैसा लगाते रहे और आपको कुछ fruitful मिल ही नहीं रहा. फिर मैं वही कहूंगी, switch to different platforms, not stick to the one platform only. If you never run ads on social media before, it's best to test multiple platforms and see where your audience is. जो मैं कह रही थी बेटा अभी, how they interact with your ads. Find out if they visit your site after seeing your ads and eventually make a purchase. So that is the 5 pillars representing that: strategy, planning, engagement, analytics, and advertising. Thank you so much. आज के लिए इतना ही.